Asinsema ya electrical and electronic engineering ngwige libale electrical installation na bwigo electrical engineering. Asinsema ya cosmetology ngwige libale hairdressing bwigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism ngwige libale food production yani cookery na bwigo food and beverage production bwigo mbabwate course ya driving Kocha bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barare Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara woni gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali loan cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ejio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Kilivu Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Egende Tanganyika tabiringa mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakaso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Noganye kokolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikeri wiye masege munaba manyi bitabo bare no bamanyi wigoro nigeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikeriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigogwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakisi migwitira namba 0741499726.
Yo pombo lyo mwanone kirijane.
Ito ya Kenya ari Facebook na bwigo YouTube Getembe TV sinchira engikirano kuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa na nekera sochaka mirobelio yobwagachi bwegeti gechindege yasuneka yogotoka me ya Bonchari county ya Kisii nikobono borachi gochaka senchera ya bene inse yomotinyo yomo olebosio aega ngobwatekana no munyakerogo o Kenya Airport Authority moske Kalebo Kostani na Boigo chinga kecho nigobona nyara koegwa okoboko gusanyare koegwa okoboko no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii nekero baburirie abomenyi orogonkoroiga gutwara obotwereru elio konyora amagenderero.
This works is going to cost slightly over 300 million to do the airstrip to good aviation standards. And with the few challenges that we have identified, we are going to work very closely with His Excellency Governor Simba Arati in order for us to have collaboration between the national government and the county government on how we can fast track and make this airstrip much more viable in terms of accommodating bigger aircrafts. We shall do what it is required as it is, and then work slowly on how to expand it, to make it bigger, to make the runway longer so that it can accommodate the bigger aircrafts. Otherwise, this work should start within the next 5 weeks. We should have a contractor in place ready to start the works.
He has promised that in another 2-3 weeks, they will have started the issues of procurement. Hopefully that we want to ask them before the president comes, that by the time the president comes here, he comes with the contract. Honorable Mbati has just indicated that always these things happen nearer to elections. We don't want this one to be a weapon of election. It's a weapon of development and the business. Therefore, we are looking forward to really to ask AA, as you have promised, good brothers. I was with him in Parliament. You guys, let us fulfill it. I know that the President, yes, has done some good work. He has what he promised. Some of the roads that he promised in the county at that time we were here. They have actually been procured. There are those ones which are on a design stage, as it were. Therefore, looking forward that this one will be able to be finished. I'm told now they are not going to do Category 1 planes landing here. They want to see if we can have Category 2. Therefore, we want to urge our people, be patient. Let us see what the government can be able to do within that one and two, around 5 months, as the chairman has just indicated.
Bonjo murigire nigo ore omogoko guchasa bamenyi ba kutoka chinsemo chia moneke iyo kutoka me wadi ya Nyatieko ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii abobono banyarire kwenyorera guse banyare kobe kwasumurobelio okwenyorera amache yegesima guse ebohol morobelio yo okurawa no mojumbe wechinsemo icho gusonyare koretwaro ne mojumbe moske Anthony Kibagende chinga kecho nigo batebire mbachi wekirani obolemi obonchorera na boigo no mirimo yabo ase chinga ne chikororoba ase okwenyorera gose awetera ase okwenyorera amachi
ngakike sage yesa rwete kubana njengenda ekenaka kana naligere omwana ito gakitigara agende kakyondo tamanya
Data nengoro kwa Lispa Robert Chenomo kadio moneke ritangani kwa kiro mwishimiwa witombu yamano asengi nchoko toletera mache twabere togo tara saa tambe kuya mache kilomitanga isano togo kuya mache mpaka twagote ile nchera
tere nini ngambi yamano asengi njojo mwishimiwa wito Mr. Anthony Kibagende asengi nchoko toletera mache aseskuri ya ito ya moneke kuna indwa bangina twabere togo chandika mono asengi njojo kwenda rochare kero morakero ori kwanyoranga none shinge ninchiyo amaze tariroshe
na tena tunashukuru sana asingincho tuarorira mangana manene agitotanya korora gesatukina sekinyurike kiamoneke omwesimiwa n'abaraibande bari babuate program yo gutoremera amaje wacha Mungu awabariki sana
unabona ndega njetingo nyase ngurusia amaje igabana garabata yana wankurarandara ngati maje pi omusimi wo mintombu yamano na ndembu yamano kane.
The best thing that the MP has done is to empower the community by bringing a long-term project in the community.
na bono konyoretu ko yaita mache ne ka sengo ngasero cha senge zuto ko stari ka maje okoni ayo ko spitianga ayo ko rosendagera
che buno mosae na mwagere mbiyamona senge chanya ko bago tulimera mache for a long time we've been really suffering konyora mache or contact home issues buno ko korobore au kwa irrigation asili irrigation and especially no ya domestic uses.
Napanda mboga kwa wingi, managu kwa wingi, tukobekera mate, bona naigule vya se project yo mheshimiwa Anthony Kibageni.
Wanjo murigirira nase igitambukiro kia serikali konia ensemo gite ye kampani ya Safaricom nigo bono mubunge okiaru Muskendi Ndinyoro anyari kuruka bosyo bwe kamati ye bunge iligosanga anabo ekiro agendete kwamerera igitambukiro kyo na koerera buna nigo ense gose serikali ya Kenya irachi gutuguta chibesa chinyingi chinga kechecho nigo awano anyari gotabuna abakenya nigo barachi gutuguta kwege na serikali kobwa mono ase ogota asange usasa ogota tegerera nabo gosangiriria birengereri igoro yo konigwa wechi shares cha Safaricom kocha ase ensengao
of close to 100 billion Kenya shillings on conditions precedent. The board had not met when the management of CA did that. And I would want them to table to this committee when the board of CA met to actually discuss about not any other matter, the conditions precedent that we have given to the buyers where Kenya is losing over 100 billion shillings. So we are here talking about 2 or 4 billion, but the net amount of money we are actually getting as Kenya is 104 billion because 100 billion shillings is already lost in conditions precedent. Chairman, if there is one thing that you have to stop is that one, because there is no basis. Secondly, licenses that were to be guaranteed or given for 15 years, all of a sudden, the Communications Authority gives an additional length of time of up to 25 years. Some of the licenses that other players in the market are getting for 15 years, the buyer cornered us as Kenya to put on a length of 25 years. Members, my brothers and sisters, we are here committing our country for the next 25 years. And I'd want all of us to add 25 years to the age that we already have. And we commit that we can continue answering these questions, that we committed Kenya to a loss of 100 billion, that we are willing to answer that question until, if you are 40, you are 65. And what is the basis of even this condition precedent? It is just absurd, Chair. And this must stop. And some of these conversations that were done, that we take this discussion and this transaction so light that we were doing phone calls. Phone calls where Kenya is losing 100 billion shillings. I can't withdraw, Chair, even if I'm to end my discussion here. Because my presentation today, history will prove me right. I know, and I'll table at the right time.
Wancho murigire na waziri wa bukoreri ase serikali Muske Geoffrey Ruku niko bono awatukire gikuro igitindi bochase egati ya Brai mensi ya Kenya bali bakonia endagira iri rengete gucokonya abantu bali bakorwa Chinsemo chitari konya olembura bali babiri bakubwatanirwa ase michando Chinsemo chechisegi Chinsemo inchare nyinge ere na Obaigwa nekiratebire no kunereria abakenya na Obaigwa no gutumeka enibo ye serikali bube nekiratebire endagira konya abantu bali batari kwenyara gose bali bokonyora wense nigo ebonete kwendano itali wakanirwa kinde gyonsi.
Sasa watu wangu, niko hapa kwa heshima kwamba chama imeuzwa kwa William Ruto na William Ruto amesema Caleb wafukuzwe. Wamesema Edwin Sifuna afukuzwe. Wamesema Babu Owino afukuzwe. Hadi wanataka kufukuza watoto wa Raila mwenyewe, Winnie Odinga. Msichana ambaye ni yatima amewachwa.
Chakula si ya kubandirisha hii magunia, munaweka magunia ingine. Hii chakula ni ya wale ambao hawana nguvu, na ndiyo maana rais wa jamhuri, rais wa taifa akatoa pesa ya kutosha katika serikali yake, pesa ambayo inapaswa kwenda kwa maendeleo ingine, kutengeneza barabara, kutengeneza mashule, kulipia watoto school fees, akaipeleka kwa chakula. Alafu ipelekwa kwa chakula, viongozi wengine hapa atiwaone sasa wakati yao ya kuwa matajiri imefika. Hao tutaweka pale kamiti, wakae hapo na wasije wakatoka huko. Kwa hivyo uwe Marsabit ama uwe kona gani, ufanye hiyo ujanja, tunamulika. Na yule ambaye atapatikana, jameni, ile amri tuko nayo kutoka kwa rais wa jamhuri ni huyo mtu asa asije akapatiwa hata muda kidogo, apelekwe pale kamiti, tuwe tunampelekea hiyo maharagwe hapo, anakula polepole.
Mwancho murigire nekero ase kiama kiri kia ODM kiendete gutwara nji tofauti ni gubona umugavana wa kaunti ya Mombasa umuske Abdul Somad Nasir anyare gutabuna ikiama gia ODM ni kiama kinene igo abarai babonete gukora chinkwana irio gukora gutwara ukuigwana nekiratebire ere nari ange kigima na boigo nari no moyo bwanja irinde banyara gusangia birengire na abarai bonsi ime kiama gia ODM irio kugetingia.
Mimi niko katika chama cha OD na mimi sio yule ambaye kwamba nitatafuna maneno. I will propagate my party policies. Lazima niwaambie ya kwa msimamo wetu sisi tuko katika serikali ya broad based, lakini tuko katika chama cha OD, na nimeona kuna baadhi ya watu kila mmoja anatoa hisia zake. Lakini hisia watu walikuwa wakitoa tangu wakati baba yuko hai. Kwa hivyo hata sasa hivi watu wakitoa hisia zao, it means that the party is still very vibrant and alive. Lakini muhimu zaidi, sote ni ndugu, watu wataitana, tukae pamoja, na muhimu zaidi, ikifika mwaka 2027, hata na mimi pia si vibaya kama ninyi kama wana Mombasa museme kwa gavana wetu hayuko katika chama cha upinzani, yuko katika serikali, ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo tuingie kisawasawa, sio tumeingia hapa mguu haujulikani uko nje, mguu haujulikani uko ndani. We want to negotiate something that is going to be feasible for our people. Tujue tukiwa tuna negotiate, tunajua ya kwa sisi kama ODM tunapata wizara kadhaa, tunapata nini. Hata pengine yeye mwenyewe president aseme kwa mimi nimeamua nitasimama kwa chama cha ODM, you never know, si alitoka hapo pia yeye ama namna gani? Sasa watu wanaanza kuassume ya kwa tumekubaliana jambo fulani na hata hatujakaa juu ya meza, na tutaregea chini mashinani. Hata nitaregea kila ward kuuza hii sera.
Mwanzo mwarigiriria ayo naya na mange nyora sinjira yobo ikiranu kigima sinjira yobo ime koraga Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa inye chia rero omarago bakorene tobusaguska gendera kobera ime ya Getembe TV na boigo ko yechengira na koyebwatia imero bilio iri bosio veni nyaboke cross bimanyiririo nere Mike Wills cross studio ya kabire nguruko Matildah Obaigwa oikalit kori ankyo nyesai oyo.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero. Ili wimanyibu na mangana watika. Kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Getembe TV. Nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya. Chi video